If you think starting a drone business is all fun and games, think again. Let's talk about the nitty-gritty. All right, y'all, listen up. Starting a drone business is exciting, but it's more than just playing with fancy toys. Here's what no one tells you. First off, it's a business, not just flying. You need marketing skills, client management, and a solid business plan. Trust me, focusing only on flying won't get you clients. Marketing will. Next, those drone regulations? They're trickier than a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Always check local and national rules with apps like B4UFLI. A close call with the authorities taught me that lesson. And don't forget, competition is fierce. Stand out by specializing. Think 3D mapping or thermal imaging. I landed steady gigs by offering aerial progress reports for construction sites. Now let's talk equipment. It's more than just the drone. You need extra batteries, spare parts, insurance, and maybe even a backup drone. I learned this the hard way after a crash during a job. Finally, client relationships are gold. Be reliable, communicate well, and go the extra mile. Delivering projects early with extra shots got me referrals like wildfire. So hang tight, stay savvy, and keep learning. Your drone business can soar to new heights if you do it right. Catch y'all later.